I'm a start. Top 5 Mahjong apps that pay real money 2026 ranked. Event. Mahjong Cash is one of the clearest examples of a Mahjong-style app built around real money competition, with cash tournaments, head-to-head play, and prize-based events available in supported locations. By the end, you'll know which 5 Mahjong apps are worth checking first, how their cash systems work, and what to verify before depositing money. Number 5 is Mahjong Soul. It is primarily a competitive Mahjong game rather than a dedicated cash prize app, so it belongs on this list as a comparison point, not because every match pays money. That distinction matters because many Mahjong apps use the word competitive without actually offering withdrawable cash. Number 4 is Mahjong Club. This is another option to investigate if you want Mahjong gameplay with competitive features, but check the current cash prize availability in your location before assuming you can withdraw money. Number 3 is Mahjong Cash. This is much closer to what people mean when they search for Mahjong games that pay real money. The app is designed around competitive matches where your performance affects your result, rather than simply giving you points for completing levels. Number 2 is Mahjong City Tours. The game focuses heavily on Mahjong-style progression and tournaments, but its rewards and in-game currency should not automatically be treated as withdrawable cash. If your goal is actual money, check the withdrawal terms instead of judging the app by its prize graphics. Number 1 is Mahjong Cash Tournaments, and similar skill-based Mahjong platforms that clearly state their cash-out rules before you deposit. The reason I'm putting transparency ahead of a flashy payout claim is simple. A legitimate cash game app should clearly explain entry fees, eligibility, prize conditions, and withdrawal requirements. There is also one major catch. Real money gaming availability depends on location, and some apps can offer their normal Mahjong gameplay while restricting cash tournaments in certain regions. Before you spend anything, open the app's tournament or wallet section and verify 3 things: whether cash matches are available where you live, whether an entry fee is required, and what withdrawal method is supported. So the key takeaway is that not every Mahjong app advertised as real money actually offers direct cash withdrawals. Mahjong Cash-style competitive platforms are the ones to investigate first, while standard Mahjong games may only offer virtual rewards. Start with free matches. Read the cash game rules, and only deposit after you understand the entry and withdrawal conditions. If you want more ranked real money gaming apps, like the video and subscribe.